Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the DXGI error device hung in Battlefield 6. First, let us start with the graphics driver. A clean driver install is very important for this fix. Open your browser and go to the official NVIDIA or AMD website. Download the latest stable driver for your graphics card. Once the download is finished, install the drivers and restart your PC. Next, we will disable overlays. Overlays can crash the game and trigger this error. Start with Discord. Open Discord settings, go to Game Overlay, and turn it off completely. After that, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Go to Settings and turn off the in-game overlay. These overlays often conflict with DirectX. Now, let us disable frame generation and DLSS features. Launch Battlefield 6 and go into the graphics settings. If DLSS frame generation is enabled, turn it off. Now, close background apps. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Look for apps like MSI Afterburner, RivaTuner, GPU tuning tools, screen recorders, or hardware monitoring software. End these tasks one by one. These apps can interfere with the graphics driver while the game is running. Finally, restart your PC and launch Battlefield 6 again. Thanks for watching.